The number one facial feature that people notice about you is your smile. So if you do this one thing, I promise you, every first impression that you make in the future will be successful. I'm going to give you 2 words. It's called Veneers. It's a way to improve your smile. A new smile will instantly light up your face for every room that you walk in. It can add an overwhelming change to your life. Your identity is very closely associated with your smile. It is. It's just how we remember people. 90% of all first impressions are made nonverbal, which means before you say a word, the way you carry yourself is important. Your body language is very important. The number one facial feature that they're going to remember about you is your smile. You owe it to yourself to look in the mirror right now. And if you're not happy with your smile, then it says a lot about what you're communicating to the world. If you're thinking about improving your smile, do yourself a favor. Go to brighterimagelab.com. Just see what it's about.